Mientras que a temperatura te queda subi, tambe el riesgo de virar malo por motivo de solo y calor.
It's hard for your body to actually sweat out that heat and to get rid of it. So you're at much higher risk of a heat-related problem.
Es importante para mantener una hidratada promé, durante y después de actividad física.
And then also being mindful of what time of day we're doing activities. So doing things earlier in the morning, later at night, having shady breaks, things like that are going to be really important for monitoring long term. Not overdressing, light layers, light colors, things like that will be helpful.
Conocer señales de maleza relacionada con calor es importante. Síntomas incluyen confusión, canizaga o una comportación irritada. Fabiola Angela-Hernandez, Patria Noticia.